Hey, what's up? Chien here. We gonna install Android Studio on Linux in this video. Android Studio is an IDE used to develop Android apps. Let's check out the requirement to install Android Studio on Linux. 64-bit Linux distribution, 8664 CPU architecture, more than 8GB RAM and disk space. Let's move on to download pack. Alright, we just searched Android Studio on Google. In Android Studio download page, we just simply hit on download button and accept the terms and conditions. Then sit back and get a coffee. After download the installer, we are going to install it now. We open the terminal and change to the directory that saves the installer file. Then unzip the installer file with this command. After that, we cd into Android Studio/bin and execute studio.sh script, then the installer will launch automatically. Accept the license agreement to continue installation. Alright, the installation is completed, but you may find that the icon doesn't showing in the application menu. So now we are gonna to create the desktop entry. We simply create a new project to get to this page. Then select Tools, create desktop entry, then hit OK. Alright, after few seconds you will see the icon appear in application menu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button.